In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan YouTube videos in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your content creation process, ClickUp is a fantastic tool that provides you with the organizational structure you need. Let's dive into the steps and get you started. First, we'll begin by going to ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp, make sure you have an account set up and you're logged in. This is your central hub for all planning activities, so having easy access is crucial. Once you're in ClickUp, the next thing you'll want to do is look out for the plus sign. This little icon is your gateway to creating new items within your workspace. Click it, and you'll open up a host of possibilities. After clicking the plus sign, you'll want to select Use Templates. Templates are an incredible resource for saving time and maintaining consistency across your projects. They provide a structured format that you can easily adapt to suit your specific needs. Once you've found Use Templates, go ahead and click on it. Next, we're going to make sure everything we need is in place. You'll find an option that allows you to double check all elements associated with the templates. This step ensures that nothing is missing and that you're working with the most comprehensive template for planning YouTube videos. It's always a good idea to verify before proceeding. Moving on, you'll want to type in YouTube in the search bar. This action will help narrow down the templates to those specifically designed for YouTube planning. Typing in keywords like YouTube can quickly guide you toward the resources that are most relevant to your goal. Once you've identified the YouTube template, click on it. Selecting the right template can significantly simplify your planning process. These templates often include essential elements like content schedules, task checklists, and deadlines, all tailored to YouTube video production. After selecting the template, the next step is to click on Use Template. This action essentially imports the entire structure of the template into your ClickUp workspace, allowing you to start populating it with your content and ideas quickly. Now it's time to select your location. In ClickUp, the location refers to where you want this project or task to appear within your workspace. Choosing the right location helps keep everything organized and easy to access, particularly if you're managing multiple projects at once. Finally, click on Use Template once more to finalize everything. This final step ensures that your newly created project with the YouTube video planning template is saved in the right location and is ready for you to start crafting your videos. And there you have it, planning YouTube videos in ClickUp made simple. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently organize your content creation process, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspect of making fantastic videos. Happy planning!